Yeah, it's harvest time, you know? Harvest time is giving time, as we like to say. Yeah. Okay. A few. I gotta use one hand hold the camera and one hand to do the harvesting, so makes it a little difficult, you know. But that's no problem. We're getting the job done. Anyway. Okay. Got some cherry tomatoes here. Got a small cabbage there, but it's not ready yet. Yeah, those guys are not ready. It's collard greens though. Get me a couple stalk of it. Harvest time is giving time. Yeah, so I like to share with the neighbors. At least that's what I used to do in Jamaica. But, you know, here is a little different. Everyone likes to go to the store, so I guess I'll just share some of this with my friends on the ranch. Yeah. Got some tomatoes, some collard greens. I have a lot of tomato on the inside. But this cabbage is ready. It's ready for harvest. So here we go. Get down in there. Just cut it out. I really need a knife for this job, but here we go. Yep, growing right here in the backyard. Yeah, this is really good. We're gonna enjoy this. Alright guys, just wanted to share that with you real quick. You know, it's a full meal from the backyard. One love guys. Nigel here with you. Nigel's Jamaican Almond World. Alright? One love. Blessings.